Alright guys, this is Module 13, the module some of you have been waiting for, Abnormal Psychology, okay, 7 to 9% of the AP exam is this material. Keep in mind this module does not have a test. I'm going to wait and test material I teach here with the treatment module. They're kind of similar, they go hand in hand enough that we're just going to wait and combine it with the two. One thing I want you to keep in mind as we go throughout this module, don't try to diagnose yourself or your friends as we go through these different symptoms of different disorders and things. You're just getting a brief scratch of the material you need to know to be able to make any type of diagnosis. So if you see things that bother you about yourself or maybe other people, seek professional help. Don't go about trying to solve it your own way. So keep that in mind. Keep it in the background. It's going to be easy to do because you're going to want to make comparisons and just don't go there. Try to stay away from that. A couple things very quickly. We're going to look at the meaning of being abnormal. What is it that makes behavior abnormal? Is it the biological side? Is it the social side? Is it the psychological side? The DSM-5 is a book that the Psychology Association has put forth that gives qualifications. A behavior is considered abnormal if it meets this, and this, certain criteria. So we will be going through that. Make sure that you know with each of the disorders the different symptoms, what causes it, and how do those symptoms make a behavior differ from another. So keep that in mind. We'll look at causes of each behavior, whether that's environment, whether that's maybe it's just your biological makeup, maybe it truly is a psychological issue. But with each disorder, what is there one cause, or is it all three of these factors put together? When we get into mainly the schizophrenic behavior, some of the other disorders you'll see this as well. You'll see a positive and a negative side to it. Keep in mind that positive means we're adding a behavior or adding a character quality. Negative meaning we're taking something away, or I guess it's the absence of a symptom. Okay, so positive, we're adding a symptom. Negative, we're taking away a symptom. Last key point, when you think antisocial behavior, don't think it's a person saying, oh, I don't want to join that party, or I don't like being around people. That's not it at all. Think that person looks at rules and regulations and considers that they don't even apply to him. He is, he's I can't even think of the word, not applicable to his condition. So he likes being around people, he just doesn't have to follow the rules. Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense. Alright, lots of information. Have fun with it. Careful to make applications to yourself and to other people. And let me know if you have any questions.